Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Verma. I am a legal researcher in Corpbiz, and today we are going to talk about PRO, that is Producers Responsibility Organization, and the procedure to obtain the authorization. So the Producer Responsibility Organization is the regulation introduced by the CPCB, that is the Central Pollution Control Board. It is a known fact that the increasing usage of durable goods over the air is the primary cause of concern that causes environmental degradation. Therefore, the management of waste product is a serious alarm for policymakers. The guidelines are associated and based on the principle of EPR. This makes the producers accountable for the environmental effects throughout the life cycle of the goods. When we talk about in India, the principle of PRO is defined as e-waste management. As per the e-waste management regulations, importers, brand owners, manufacturers and producers should be responsible for collecting e-waste. PRO will take responsibility of e-waste generated in India and will play a major role by taking responsibility for collection of e-waste and handover to e-waste recyclers, and further will take care of post and annual compliance of PIBOs. Now let's discuss about the functions of PRO. It will help in the arrangement of logistics. It helps in accomplishing the target of collection, taking back the implementation and setting up waste collection method. Furthermore, it helps the producers in the filing of quarterly and annual return and mentor on producers' responsibility plan. Now let's understand government regulation in respect of producers' responsibility organizations. In India, two sectors that define the concept of PRO are e-waste management and plastic waste management. Under Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016 and E-Waste Management Rules 2016, both acts shall make the producers collect the plastic electronic products waste. Thus, there is a need to set up the system to collect the waste generated due to the products. As far as the capacity of PRO is concerned, both agent and producers provide the information concerning their waste handling capacity for storage collection of waste materials, and recyclers with whom they are arranging to do with such waste. A producer or an agent should be skillful in channelizing plastic and waste to meet the collection targets. Now let's understand what are the responsibilities of a recycler. So those interested in recycling or processing of e-waste and plastic waste shall submit an application before the State Pollution Control Board and Pollution Control Committee for registration. It should be the responsibility of the recycler that waste should be managed properly. Pollution control equipment should be used by the recycler to prevent environmental pollution. Those engaged in recycling or processing plastic waste should submit an annual report to the concerned local body, intimating the State Pollution Control Board or Pollution Committee every year. As far as the verification of application is concerned, the Central Pollution Control Board has the sole authority to scrutinize, inspect, verify and decide the application accordingly. CPCB usually gives response within 30 days. The validity for the renewal of registration shall be made 60 days before the expiration. The registration under e-waste management rule shall be effective for the time duration of 3 years. So now let's discuss about the documents required for the registration for PRO authorization. So the documents are GST certificates, details of the items in Excel sheet, PAN card of the company's proprietor, authorized signatory KYC, rent, lease or proof of ownership of the site. So the registration process for PRO concerned with an application form, same shall be submitted before the Central Pollution Control Board for the registration under PRO. Both plastic and electronic waste managed. However, the guidelines with respect to e-waste management do not state any minimum requirement for registration of PRO, although the policies related to plastic waste management state the following above criteria. Connect with the Corpbiz now and get complete assistance in respect with the registration procedure in PRO. So I hope you like this video. For more updates, please subscribe our channel. For now, thank you.